you are one of those people that doesn't know what to make videos about, what you should do is to make videos about things that you are generally interested in or passionate about. And also, this is very important, that people are also searching for. It's simple as that. And if you can fall into this middle of these two things, you are golden. The good news is that people are searching for a lot of different things these days. Today, there are so many different niches on YouTube, from technology channels, music, sound channel, gardening, planting channels, with millions of subscribers. If you have more ideas of your niche, how to choose the best one to start? Now, pause this video and think about 3 niches that you are passionate about, so we can go on and select the best one for you. Okay, let's say that you are passionate about fishing, music, and cleaning. Now that you have your top 3 niches that you are passionate about, the next thing is to find out which one is trending or people are searching for. The secret to find what people are searching for is in using 2 services. Google Trends is a Google website that analyzes the popularity of top search query in Google search across various regions and languages. This service will help us to decide which one of your 3 niches is more popular on the internet. And AnswerThePublic.com, we can use this free tool to get instant, raw search insights direct from the mindset of our customers. This tool will help us to decide what we are going to talk about in our videos. So let's get into it. Now we will see what will Google Trends show us from our research. First, we'll type here, fishing. This is for United States in past 12 months. We can also hit worldwide, but let's leave it as is. And then we can add comparison with second term. We will hit music, and we will add cleaning, and this is what Google Trends are showing. So the highest volume is music, 79, and then we have fishing, and then we have cleaning. And this is for United States. If we hit worldwide comparison, it's way better for music interest over time. And from this we can conclude that music is the best thing that we should do our videos about. And now we are going to see another service, Answer the Public. And if we type here music, because we already decided that music is niche that we're going to choose, let's see what people are searching regarding music. Okay, now we have visualization here. So this is all different types of most popular searches regarding music. Sounds, free music, many other things that regarding music. And if we want to see data, and there are all popular searches regarding are music shops open, can, how, what, when, where. And we can use this as an inspiration for our videos, because now we know what people are searching for.